Wallahi, what we have seen in the last few days is even worse than what we saw at the beginning of this crisis. And what is going on? Yes, martyrs will enter Jannah. Yes, martyrs have a very, very high rank. And yes, Allah has a quota of martyrs that He has to and will take every single year. But that does not mean we do not feel it. There are 3 levels that the Prophet ﷺ speaks about, no 4th level. The first is you feel in your heart that what they are doing is wrong to our brothers and sisters. And you pray for them. And you care in the way that your sleep is affected because that which they are doing to them, they could do it to you and I. And you know what? Given the opportunity, they would. They would. Those are criminals, man. They would. And at the same time, secondly, if Allah's given you the ability to talk about it, to conscientize about it, like what we are doing right now, you talk about it. Tell the others and tell those who are perpetrating the crime that you are wrong. What you are doing is wrong, unacceptable. You will be punished for it in this world and the next. And they might get away a little bit here. They will not get away in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the third, those in authority who have the ability and capacity, they should stop them with their hands.